In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to create Notion templates. We'll walk through how to use the Explore GPTs tab inside ChatGPT to quickly plan and assemble powerful pages in Notion without starting from a blank screen. First, open ChatGPT and head to the Explore GPTs tab. In the search bar, type Notion template or Notion expert. You'll see purpose-built assistants designed to help with structure, naming, and setup. Pick one that matches your needs and open a chat. Start by requesting a specific layout. Instead of saying, "Make me a template," say exactly what you want, like a weekly project planner or a fitness dashboard. Clear prompts lead to better blueprints. These GPTs typically return a clean outline with suggested properties such as date, status, priority, and tags, along with checklists and, in many cases, simple import instructions so you can bring the structure into Notion. For a deeper build, ask, "Give me an outline for a CRM Notion template and tell me what databases, properties, and layout it should contain." You usually get a breakdown of core databases like contacts, companies, or deals, plus recommended relations, rollups, and sample views. This is a fast way to see how pieces connect before you start building. Before styling, ask ChatGPT to think in modular blocks. Request sections like headers, trackers, and reflections, so the structure comes first. For personal productivity, it might propose a daily layout with a short morning affirmation, a time-fay block schedule, and 3 priority slots. Use that as a starting point and tune the language or order to suit your workflow. When you are ready to move from plan to build, let ChatGPT handle the technical bits. Ask for tables in Markdown format. Copy the Markdown into Notion, then click the 3 dots on the block and choose Turn into Database. This instantly converts the table into a fully functional database with the columns it generated. If you already have sample data, ask ChatGPT to generate a CSV file. Download it and import it into Notion, mapping the columns to the properties suggested earlier. This is especially helpful for CRM datasets or habit trackers where bulk entries save time. That's it. Use these prompts to iterate, refine, and assemble polished Notion templates quickly with ChatGPT. Thanks for watching.